Phrasal verb. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and prepositions that together make a meaning that is different from its original verb. For example, give up, or give into, or look after, or take down. We can form phrasal verb by adding prepositions to the base form of the verb. Example, come is a base form of the verb, after is a preposition, so together come after or come up. Now let us look at some more examples, its meaning, and how we can use it in English sentence. 1. Brush up, meaning review or improve your knowledge. Example, before the job interview, she brushed up her knowledge in computer. 2. Come down to be the most important factor in your decision making. Example, in the end, the decisions came down to who had the most experience and not the one who was more knowledgeable. 3. Drag on, to last longer than expected. Example, the meeting dragged on for hours and hours without any final decision. 4. Zero in on, meaning to focus closely or give special attention to something. Sentence, the researchers zeroed in on one specific gene that might be linked to the disease. 5. Crack down on, to take strong or severe actions to stop or limit something. Example, the policemen are cracking down on illegal drug use to save the community. Now there are other examples of phrasal verbs are turn down, turn up, move on, move up, move down, step in, break out, break up, so on and on. There are thousands and thousands of phrasal verbs that we can use in our daily English to express our feelings and ideas to others. So continue to watch, like, comment and subscribe to this video.